In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign with Mailchimp step by step, so you can build and send a professional campaign without getting lost in the process. This is a simple, beginner-friendly walkthrough, and by the end you'll know exactly how to start a campaign, choose a layout, customize the design, and send it out with confidence. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and get to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left and click Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your email marketing campaigns, so this is the first place you need to go when creating a new one. After that, click Create. Mailchimp will show you a few different options, and from here you want to click Email, because we're creating an email campaign, not a social post, or another type of campaign. Next, Mailchimp will ask what kind of email you want to create, and you should click Regular. A regular campaign is the standard email campaign type, which is perfect for newsletters, promotions, announcements, and most marketing emails. Once you choose that, you'll need to name your campaign. Give it a clear name that helps you remember what it is, especially if you're planning to create multiple campaigns later. After typing in the name, click Begin to move forward. Now Mailchimp will take you into the Campaign Builder, where you can start designing the email. At this stage, you'll want to select your design. For this tutorial, I'm choosing a basic layout because it gives you a clean starting point and makes it easy to build a simple professional-looking email. If you're just getting started, a basic layout is usually the safest option because it keeps everything neat and easy to edit. Once the layout is selected, you can choose the tone. In this example, I'm selecting Minimal. A minimal tone is great if you want your email to look clean, modern, and easy to read. It keeps the focus on the message instead of making the design feel too crowded. Depending on your goal, Mailchimp may offer different styles, but minimal is a strong choice for many campaigns because it keeps things simple and polished. Now it's time to edit the content of the email. This is where you can update the text, add or change your logo, and replace the image with something that fits your campaign. Click into each content block and make the changes you need. Make sure your text is clear and direct, your logo is properly placed, and your image matches the message you're sending. This is also the time to double-check branding, spelling, and formatting so your email looks professional before it goes out. As you make changes, take a moment to preview everything in the layout. A clean email with strong messaging and a simple structure usually performs better than one that feels cluttered. Keep your call to action easy to understand and make sure the design supports the purpose of the campaign. Whether you're promoting a product, sharing an update, or sending a newsletter, the goal is to make the email easy to read and easy to act on. Once you're happy with the design and content, click Save and Exit. This saves your work and brings you back to the campaign flow so you can finish up the final steps. Saving before sending is always a smart move, especially if you want to come back and review the campaign one more time later. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to go live, click Send. Mailchimp will deliver your email campaign to the audience you selected. Before you send, it's always a good idea to do one last check to make sure the subject line, content, and design all look exactly the way you want them to. And that's it, you've successfully created an email campaign with Mailchimp. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.